This question belongs to Boolean algebra topic and the subtopic is SOP and POS conversion. The difficulty level of this question is easy as it is a direct concept based problem. The approximate time required to solve this question is around 45 seconds and there are no calculations involved in solving this question. So the question goes like this. A function is given, a function f of a comma b comma c is given, which is function of three Boolean variables a, b, c. So if you see here, a, b and c are the three Boolean variables. So here is using the term Boolean. Here the term Boolean means that this a comma b comma c can take only two values, either 1 or a 0. So he has given the function f, which is a function of three variables a, b, c, and this is the definition of that function. So a bar comma b bar comma c bar are nothing but the complements of the respective variables. The product of sums form of the function f is. So to solve this question, the concepts that the student is expected to know are SOP and POS forms of representation. Now if you see the question, the function f is in SOP form, whereas if you see the options, in the options the function f is represented in POS form. So if you see here carefully, in the given question the function f is sum of three terms. So this is the first term, second term, third term, and these three terms are added. So if you see the each individual term, it is nothing but product of three variables. So if you see here, in the given question the function is nothing but sum of three terms, term 1, term 2 and term 3. This is the term 1, this is the term 2 and this is the term 3. So the given function is nothing but sum of terms. What type of terms? Sum of product terms, because each term is nothing but product of three variables. So in the given question f is represented as sum of product terms. So that is what is called as SOP, sum of product terms, SOP. If you see the options, each of the options again have 3 or 5 terms. So this is the term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, and each of this term is nothing but a sum term, because in each term three variables are added using the additive operator. So this is the sum term number 1, this is the sum term number 2 and this is the sum term number 3. So it is nothing but product of sum terms. Why? Because each of these sum terms are multiplied using the product operator. So our aim is to convert the SOP expression given in the question into a POS form available in the options. So students should be knowing the SOP and POS representations in order to be able to solve this problem. So if you see here, there is no shortcut for this question. Why? Because it is direct formula application based question and the type of question is very straightforward. So the concept the student should know is how a variable is represented in SOP representation and in POS representation. In SOP representation, a variable is represented by 1 and a variable complement is represented by 0. Whereas in POS representation, a variable is represented by 0 and its complement is represented by 1. So in the given question, this is the expression given in the question. So if you see here, it is nothing but in sum of product terms, sum of three product terms form, that is SOP fashion. and in SOP fashion we have seen that a variable is represented by 1 and its complement is represented by 0. So here a bar is present means we need to write 0, b bar 0, c bar 0. So this 0 0 0 we are writing in sigma m notation. Sigma m is nothing but sum of min terms or sum of product terms fashion. So the next term is a bar b c bar means 0 1 0, and then next third term is a into b bar into c bar, that is 1 0 0. So now if you see here, if you convert them into sigma m notation, it is nothing but sigma m of 0 to 4. So while converting from sigma m notation to capital M of notation, so if you see here sigma means sum of, small m represents min terms. So here pi means product of, capital M means max terms. So here if you see sigma means sum, that's why we are using additive operator here. So and small m means min terms. This is min term 1, min term 2 and min term 3. So pi means product. So hence in the options all the answers are in product of max terms or product of sum terms. So if you see here, while converting from sigma m notation to pi capital M notation, you need to write those numbers which are not available here. So if you see here, the function f is function of 3 variables a comma b comma c. So 2 power number of variables in the given function is equal to 3. 2 power number of variables in the given function is equal to 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So total 8 standard min terms are possible. So and these are nothing but small m0, small m1, small m2, small m3, like that till it keep on going till small m7. So if the number of variables in the question are 4, then 2 power 4 is equal to 16 min terms are possible. At that time those min terms are nothing but m0, m1, m2, like that till m15. If in the given question only 2 variables are present, say if only a and b are present, or a bar and b bar are present and no c terms are available, say if the given function is of 2 variables, then 2 power number of variables is equal to 2 power 2 is equal to 4 min terms. Then only 4 min terms are possible and they are m0, m1, m2, m3. So as in this question there are 3 variables and hence 8 min terms or 8 max terms are possible, and they are represented in the fashion of m0, m1, m2 till m7, 8, and the max terms are represented by capital M, and there will also be 8 max terms because 2 cube is equal to 8, and they are represented as capital M0, capital M1, capital M2, capital M3, capital M4 till and capital M7. Okay, so now here as f is a function of 3 variables, sigma m contains only 0, 2 and 4. So out of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you write the missing ones here. These are the missing ones out of 0 to 7. So here in 0 to 4, if you remove from 0 to 7, you have 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now while converting to get the options fashion of representing in the POS form, you need to convert them into binary values. So 1 binary is 001, 3 binary is 011, like that you write the corresponding binary values. Now capital F is equal to, you can write the variable representation from this binary representation. So for max terms representation, a variable is represented by 0 and its complement is represented by 1. So if you see 0, 0, 1, hence a plus b plus 1 means complement, so c bar, like this. 0, 1, 1 means a plus b bar plus c bar. 101 A bar plus B plus C bar. 110 A bar plus B bar plus C. 111 means A bar 1, B bar 1, C bar. So the correct answer is answer C. Thank you.